Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C: and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *.* space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. cd space C:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.